All right, so further reasons why you can trust Zephyr for your next project is one, there are already devices in the market that are running on Zephyr, and we are going to get into that in a couple of seconds. However, you can also see down here that development wise, it is a very active project. So 105K plus commit, 2K5 plus contributors, 150 plus repositories, 55K plus pull requests. So you can see that this is actively being developed. And the beautiful thing is that different manufacturers of microcontrollers actually also put some of their team members on board to ensure that whatever the Zephyr project is doing also works for their microcontrollers. So in there, you can see companies like ST Microelectronics, Nordic Semiconductors, and other big semiconductor companies actually giving engineers or contributing engineering effort towards making sure that the Zephyr project becomes a success, and it's actually already a success. So we can look at some of the devices already in the market that are running on Zephyr project. So there's smart glasses, there is a watch, there's this IoT system for farming, I believe. Look at this big one, Google Chromebook. So if Google chooses something to be the backbone of a product that they are shipping out there, then you have a reason to also trust it. But guys, look at all these devices. They can't possibly go wrong with making a choice of sticking with Zephyr project. So if you go to zephyrproject.org and you click on the button that I clicked, you can see all the devices, IoT products that are actually in the market. And chances are high that you even have something in your house that is already running on Zephyr project that is not showing on here. If we come here also, we can see the different boards that are supported. So you can actually search for your board type, but guys, you can see that there are a lot of boards are supported. So let's say if I go to ARM, for example, and for ARM, I'm looking for, let's say, ST. Guys, the list is long, right? The list is so long. So ST is here. And you can see that there are a lot of boards that are supported. And apart from working with development boards, you can also actually build your own custom hardware and get Zephyr to work nicely with it. So I believe with this and the previous video, you are at this point super convinced that Zephyr is a good choice for your next firmware or embedded system project. And so in the next videos, we are going to get our hands dirty and then start writing code to do stuff on different microcontroller units. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next.